Alright, welcome to my tool organization, part 2. And today I'm going to be doing my pliers and such. So what I did this time was I actually took a drawer out of my toolbox and then laid them out to make sure they was going to fit in some manner. So that's what I've already done, and that's where I'm at right this second. So right now I guess I'll empty the drawer now, and I'll measure it so I know how big to cut my foam. So, and I'll try to lay them back out on the table in front of me so I know about where I've stuck everything. So that's what I'll do now. Don't need this stuff anymore. I mean, it's good and nice and tacky, but so I'm going to keep it around and maybe use it for my spare toolbox or something else. So stick it over to the side.
System of a down on your rock station 99.7. Before that,
So I'm measuring the drawer, which I do it from inside of these tabs to inside the tab. This sheet foam. That's the same piece of foam I have. I use for my screwdriver, so I'm just goes a long way. I think the sheets are. These come in 2 by 4 feet sheet, so one piece goes a pretty good way. You can do at least 2 drawers with 1 sheet. So I did get one of these box cutter knives, more to cut this time around instead of my multi-tool. The blade, I can make it a little longer to cut through it. I may use this to cut around the tools, but this will cut through it better. Fit this in the drawer. Let's see where I have to trim it. So now we'll lay them back out. The pliers backing on this to make sure that it's really going to fit. Traced around, so it's time to cut them out. Again, I may just use this to my multi-tool to cut around it. It's just thinner, got a smaller width of the blade. So again, I just cut either on the line, inside the line. I'm gonna give you some gloves. My hands are black. Rubber gloves so you don't get your hand all stained with marker. Again, this stuff just comes in layers. It's manufactured in layers. You can get all solid black. This one just happens to be black and white stuff. I thought it would be a good contrast. So. preference, I guess. I actually worked pretty much right off the bat. Alright, there are my pliers. Not too bad. Again, time tuning, take your time. I've seen pictures where they do little cutouts for your thumb and fingers and stuff, like little hoops and stuff. I don't think it's needed. You can grab a hold of the tools easy enough without it. So I'm not putting those little cutouts for your fingers to grab them. So that's it. I'll put it in the drawer and I'll test it out. And once I make sure the fit is good, I will show you what it looks like. I think it looks pretty good. So there they are inside of the drawer. They look pretty good, I think. It works. The drawer shuts pretty fine. Not hitting. Those are my screwdrivers. That was from my last project. You can look on my channel and look at part 1 of my tool organization. So that'll be it. Thanks for watching.